Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra and welcome to our final project video for CPE 401 Computer Programming. For our project, we created a simple inventory system designed specifically for geodetic engineering tools. It's called the Geodetic Engineering Inventory System and it helps track equipment like GPS receivers, compass station, tripods, and other tools used in future. Many times, equipment is borrowed, but not returned properly, or is hard to track using manual methods. Our system is made with Python to help automate this process. In this video, we'll explain its objectives, how it works, its features, and the programming concept behind it. So stay tuned, and let's get started.
Hi, I'm Mark. Now let me tell you more about the background and purpose of our project. The Geodetic Engineer's Inventory System was developed to solve a real-life issue: the lack of an organized tracking system for geodetic tools. In our field, we need precision. Losing or misplacing equipment affects survey accuracy and field schedules. This project aims to provide an organized list of all survey equipment, let user add, update, or delete equipment entries, track who borrowed the tools and when, use search and filter function to find equipment fast, keep a log of all transactions to promote accountability. With this system, we hope to help geodetic students and engineers save time and avoid equipment loss.
Hi there, I'm Grant and I'll show you how the system works. When we run the program, we see a simple main using print, statement, and basic Python functions. The user chooses from 8 options, and let's break it down. First, the view inventory. It displays all tools and their quantities. Second, the add equipment. It lets the user input the tool, name, and how many units are available. Third, the update quantity. It changes the counts when tools are returned or added. Fourth, delete equipment. It removes old or damaged tools. Fifth, the search equipment. It helps find the tool by typing just a word. And 6, check out equipment. It logs borrowed tools and the borrower's name and time. And 7, the view log. It shows a record of how borrowed, what, and when. And lastly, the exit. It simply closes the system. We use Python data structures like lists, dictionaries to manage the inventory, and datetime module is used to log a real-time activity. Before we continue, let's talk briefly about the code behind the system. We use the Python to build the Geodetic Engineering Inventory System because it beginner-friendly and powerful enough for managing data. Here are the breakdown of the structures. First, at the start of the code, we define 2 main dictionaries. One for the inventory, when we store each tool name as the key and its quantity as the value, and the other one for the checkout logs, which keeps track of what tool was borrowed, by whom, and when. We then created functions for each operation in the menu. Here are the inventories. We have the view inventory, the add equipment, the update quantity, the delete equipment, the search equipment, and check out equipment, and last, the view logs with close parentheses. As you seen in the code, all of them has names and underscore with open and close parentheses. As you can see, each function sets input validation using the try except blocks to avoid crashes when wrong data is entered. We also use the datetime module to record the exact time when equipment is borrowed, making our logs more detailed and reliable. Lastly, we have a main loop that keeps showing the menu until the user chooses to exit. We use a while loop, and a conditional break to stop it safely. So, even though it's a simple console-based app, it's already demonstrates key programming concepts like the functions, the conditional, the loops, the dictionaries, and last, the input handling. Basic file or log simulation.
Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'll walk you through the feature. Let's start with the features number 1, View Inventory. You can see the names and quantities of all equipment. Number 2, Add Equipment. A new tool is added with a specified quantity. Number 3, Update Quantity. If someone returns or borrows an item, we can adjust the number. Number 4, Delete Equipment. old items can be removed from the system. Number 5. Search equipment. Just type one word and the system look for matching items. Number 6. Checkout equipment. Logs the username and tools borrowed with date and time. Number 7. View logs. This display a full list of all checkout transactions. Lastly, number 8. Exit ends the sessions properly. This simple logics makes our program easy to use even for beginners. Thank you.
Now, let me show you how to run the code and explain the result when we use it. Step 1. Opening the program. To run the program, just open your available Python compiler like online GDB, then click the Run button or press F5. Once the program runs, you will see a welcome message and a short description. It will also display menu with options from 1 to 8, such as View Inventory, Add Equipment, Update Quantity, Delete Equipment, Search Equipment, Checkout Equipment, View Checkout Logs, and Exit. For the Step 2, Testing the features. For Option 1, View Inventory. You will see the list of the current inventory, and when you enter the Option 2, to add equipment, the user allowed to enter the name of the equipment and its quantity to add in the inventory. Option 3, Update Quantity. In this option, the user allowed to enter the name and new quantity of the equipment to update in the inventory. Next is Option 4, Delete Equipment. For this option, when the equipment is old from the inventory or the user accidentally added, the user allowed to automatically delete it in the inventory by simply entering the name of the equipment. Option 5, Search Equipment. The user allowed to search the equipment from the inventory to check its quantity or if it's still available to borrow. To search the equipment, the user must only enter one word or keyword to easily search the equipment. For example, the user wants to search for prism pole. Instead of its full name, they allowed to enter either prism or pole only. Now, let's test Option 6, Checkout Equipment. For Option 6, the user allowed to enter equipment name to check out. For example, prism pole, and to enter the name who check out the equipment. For example, Engineer Hiwati. We can view the logs using Option 7, View Checkout Logs. Checkout logs includes date and time, the person, and the equipment. Lastly, the Option 7, it is to simply exit code. For final result, the system responds fast and correctly based on the option chosen. It updates real-time inventory data, logs checkout, and helps users to keep track on the equipment properly. With this simple interface, users can easily manage equipment without confusion or missing tools.